Hey guys, it's Laura from Little Lights by Laura, and I have an update, a very fun update. I've recently switched from a PC to a Mac, and I am so happy to tell you that there is not much difference in the Silhouette Studio world from one to the other. Sure, there is a learning curve from a Mac to a PC or a PC to a Mac, but as for the most part, so much of the software is user friendly. So if you are contemplating the switch, let me encourage you. It is wonderful. It is so simple and so much more user friendly. And all you Mac users are out there watching this saying, "Yeah, I told you so." And you're right. The biggest thing that I have noticed that can be a little bit of a hindrance is when you go to open one of your older, um, maybe like one of your older files. The biggest thing I have noticed is that it takes a long time to open. So going back to an older version of the software, I have found to be helpful. You kind of just have to delete and re download an older version. But I just wanted to show you around the page a little bit to show you that it literally looks the same. So you still have your page set up over here. You can add the grids, you can take the grids off, all of your registration marks, all of this still works and looks the exact same as it does on a PC. Still your fill panel is here, your line fill. There we go. Trace, gradient, everything is the same. It is so simple to use. One of my favorite features of the Mac is a screenshot feature, and all you do is you hold Command Shift 4 and it brings up this little cross. I'm sure there's a better name for it, and you can circle whatever you want, and then you have another image. Now, if I was going to use this in Silhouette, I'd have to do a lot more work to it. That's a whole nother video. But just to be able to have that option, whereas before on a PC, you could do a screenshot, but then you'd have to shrink it all down and it was just a headache. This is so much more user friendly. And then one last tip before I hop off, I get people that ask me oftentimes, why does my Silhouette Studio look brighter? And the trick is this simple little recycle button. If I click this, that is what makes your page dark. And if you click it again, it brings it light. So there you go. Hopefully you learned something in this video. As I always say in every single video, if there are other tutorials that you are in need of, please, please, please comment below and let me know, and I will make it for you.